Hi, welcome back. I'm Claudia and today I'm going to be showing you how I make the spinning motion on my cake toppers. The materials you'll need are double-sided foam tape, a clear, durable string such as a fishing line, and hot glue. We're going to start off by placing our background on our mat, and I like to use these mats because they keep everything straight and they help guide me. Now I'm going to grab my disco ball and place it at the center. I'm moving my string to the side. I also want to keep an eye on the size of my disco ball. Make sure you're accounting for the banner and your name that goes at the bottom. I don't want my disco ball running into the banners, so just keep an eye on the size of the graphic that you're using for the center of your topper. I'm adding foam squares to the center of my disco ball, then I'm going to grab my string and place it directly onto the center of my foam squares. Just a little side note, there are different ways to achieve this spinning motion. I like to use the foam squares. You can do without them, just do what feels comfortable to you. Now we're grabbing our string and we're going to place that directly on our foam tape. As you can see, I'm trying to keep my disco ball straight. When I add that string to the double-sided foam squares, I'm trying to keep it nice and tight. That's just a tip. You don't want to have the string wobbly. You want that spinning motion to be nice and tight. I'm adding a foam square to the top part of my topper, and also I will be adding a foam square at the bottom as well. I added the foam square at the bottom of my topper, and you'll see that I'm tugging a little bit on my string. Don't pull it too much because you don't want it to come off of the foam squares. Just tug it a little bit, that way you have that string nice and tight. Now I'm adding hot glue directly onto my string, and this is just going to reassure everything, make sure it's not going to come off. And that's it. Now I'm going to be adding the top piece of my disco ball, and that is all you need to do to achieve the spinning motion. This was so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with your friends, and if you end up trying this technique, make sure to tag me on my social medias at Miss Olivia Rose Shop. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment box below. Make sure you like this video, and if you aren't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Here's a short clip of another cake topper I made using the spinning motion technique.